Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send high quality videos in iMessage on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open Setting app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Message. Now scroll down and find low quality image mode. If it's turned on, your videos and photos are sent in lower quality to save data. Turn this off to ensure your videos are sent in high quality. Next, make sure you are sending your videos using iMessage, not SMS. iMessage are blue bubbles, SMS are green bubbles. Only iMessage supports high quality video. Now open the Message app and go to the conversation where you want to send the video. Tap on the camera icon or the photo icon to select your video from your library. Before sending, check your video size. iMessage automatically compress videos if they are very large. For the best quality, try sending videos under 100 MB or use another shorter clip. Once you're ready, tap the send button and your video will be sent in the best quality supported by iMessage. And that's it. Now you know how to send high quality videos in iMessage on iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.